everyone, I'm Mindy Eggen and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I want to give you a closer look and how-to assembly for the classic car from my Classic Road Legends collection. I will have videos similar to this for each of the cars in this collection, so be sure to keep an eye on my YouTube channel for each of those videos. Introducing the classic car from my Classic Road Legends collection. I'm going to be setting a lot of this assembly to music, but there are a few things that I wanted to point out in the assembly of this car. When you do your assembly, you are going to have a steering wheel and also a rear view mirror. I do recommend attaching those first before doing anything else. A few tools that I find helpful when putting these cars together is going to be a set of reverse tweezers, maybe even a pick and stick tool, and then a fine tip bottle of glue. I hope this video helps you when you are putting your cars together.
Let's go.
I will have future videos where I'm actually taking these cars and putting them onto card fronts I'm creating with background dies and stencils, so be sure to stay tuned for that. Thank you all so much for joining me today, and I hope you enjoy this collection as much as I do.